Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a post on VSCO. So, first of all, you want to open the VSCO application, then you want to go to your profile, which is the smiley face right here. Then you want to go to your gallery, and you should already be in your gallery by clicking on your profile. Then just click on a post that you want to edit. So let's say I want to edit this post right here. And then by clicking these three dots in the top right corner, you can edit the post. So let's click on edit. And as you can see, we can only edit the description of our post. So you can write something. I'm gonna say just lights, and after all of that we just wanna click the tick in the top right corner to save it. And now, as you can see, our post is edited. If we click on this, as you can see, the description is edited. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel.